Good morning students. So in our last session, we had a discussion on union and intersection of a set and some properties related on union and intersection. So in this session, I will discuss difference of set and complement of a set. So these two concepts are very important. So in that first one, difference of a set. So what is difference of a set? So agare difference of a set andre enu? So definition nodona first. Okay. The difference of a set A and set B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. What is difference of set? The difference of the set A and B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. Symbolically, so it can be written as difference between two set A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A but X does not belongs to set B. This is nothing but difference between two set. The difference of the set A and set B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to set A, not belongs to set B. For example, so how to write A minus B? That means difference between two set. Okay. So consider set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Set A is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. Then difference between two set A minus B, right? So A minus B is equal to, so elements of set A 1, 2, 3, 4 minus element of set B 1, 2, 5, 6. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. 1, 1, 2, 2. Is there any common elements between these two set? No. So what are the elements left in set A? That is the value of A minus B. So A minus B is equal to what? So set A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ A ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3, 4. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ದ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ A ಬಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ B. ಸೊ A minus B is equal to 3, 4. So in a same way, if in case B minus A ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? If in case same problem B minus A. So A minus B means the elements belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. So in a same way B minus A. So B minus A is nothing but the elements belongs to set B but does not belongs to set A. Okay, same problem. So B value. So 1, 2, 5, 6 minus set A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here common element. So 1, 2, 1, 2. What are the elements left in set B? So 5, 6. This is the value of B minus A. The elements belongs to set B but does not belongs to set A. Clear? The elements, the difference of set A and set B in this order is the set of elements which belongs to set A but does not belongs to set B. This is nothing but A minus B. If in case B minus A, the elements belongs to set B but does not belongs to set A. Okay, symbolically look here. A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to set A and X does not belongs to set B. This is nothing but A minus B. So in the same way B minus A which is equal to X such that X belongs to set B and X does not belongs to set A. This is the value of B minus A. Then how do we represent difference of sets in Venn diagram? So next slide. So in Venn diagram, okay, look here. In Venn diagram, the red region is nothing but A minus B. This is the representation of difference between two sets by using Venn diagram. So look here, for example, set A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and set B is equal to 1 3 5. Then how do we represent these two sets by using Venn diagram? So first universal set, right? Next set A, again set B. So A minus B, common elements between two set. Look here, 1 3. What we left in set A? 2. Set A. Then set B, what we left in set B? 5. The region, this region is called it as A minus B. A minus B. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಈ ರೀಜನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ, ದಿಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸೆಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಬಿ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ A is the subset of U, then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not in the elements of A. This is nothing but complement of a set. So before that A is a subset of what? U ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Symbolically ನೋಡಿ, symbolically A dash is equal to, symbolically, so complement ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A dash is equal to X such that X belongs to universal set and X does not belongs to set A. In other words, A dash is equal to universal set minus the given set. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ universal set 1 2 3 4 5. Next set A 1 3 4. What is the value of complement of that set? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು A set A complement A dash ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? if in case set B complement B dash. so A dash is always equal to universal minus A. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 2 3 4 5 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ 1 3 4. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ? 4 5. ದಿಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ A dash. A dash is nothing but complement of set A. If in case B dash ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ B. C dash ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ C. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿರೋ, ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಬಿ ಎ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 3 4 is a subset of what? Universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U. Complements of A is set of all elements of U which are not in the element of set A. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ 1 3 4 ಇದೆ, 1 3 4 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 5 set A ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. which are not in the element of set A. Symbolically A dash is equal to X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. In other words, A dash is equal to union minus A. This is nothing but, how do we represent complement of a given set by using Venn diagram? So look here, the yellow region is nothing but complement of the given set. So nodi, this is nothing but universal set, again set A, this is complement. So ಈ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? A complement ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. if in case set B, B complement. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, yellow region ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ complement of the given set ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ the complement of A or A dash. Okay, so next problems. So related on union, intersection, difference and complement. Okay, in that first one if set A is equal to 1 2 3 4, set B is equal to 3 4 5 6, set C is equal to 5 6 7 8, set D is equal to 7 8 9 10. They already given 4 set A, B, C and D. So we have to find in that first one A union B. A union B is nothing but what? Union between two sets. That means the elements either belongs to set A or set B. Definition you already know, right? So A union B, first one. So solution A union B. They already given set A value. So 1 2 3 4 union set B value 3 4 5 6. Combined these two elements. So अगर combine ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ again 3 4 3 4 repeat ಆಗಿದೆ, but repeat ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ one time ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the value of A union B. Second one A union C. So again set A 1 2 3 4 union set C 5 6 7 8, which is equal to what? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the value of A union C. Okay, next one B union C. Take it as homework. Next D. So fourth one A union of B union C. A union of B union C. So in this case, so first we have to find B union C. Okay, consider B union C. So because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ B union C, set B 3 4 5 6 union 5 6 7 8. Okay, which is equal to what? 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the value of B union C. So next we have to find A union of B union C. So A value 1 2 3 4 union. So B union C 3 4 5 6 7 8. So combine these two sets. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the value of A union of B union C. Okay, next one. So last one, take it as homework. Okay, so these are some problems related on union of two set. Okay, next one. Second one, if set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B is equal to 3 4 5 6, set C 5 6 7 8 and D is equal to 7 8 9 10. Find first one A minus B. So what is A minus B? Difference between two sets. That means elements which belongs to set A but does not belong to what? Set B. Okay, first one. So solution, first one, set A minus B. Difference between two sets, right? So set A 1 2 3 4 minus set B, so 3 4 5 6. So first we cancel the common elements, right? So 3, 3, 4, 4. So what we left in first set, that is nothing but a minus b. So remaining element 1, 2. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ 5, 6 ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, 2. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ. ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ, ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3, 4, 5, 6 minus set A value 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 3, 4, 3, 4 cancel. So what we left in set B 5, 6. This is the value of B minus A. Clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, next one. A intersection B. What is the value of A intersection B? A intersection B and Reno. So common elements between two sets, that is nothing but intersection. Okay, third one. A intersection B. What is the value of set A? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection set B value 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So common elements between these two set 3. Next 4. This is the value of A intersection B. This is the value of A intersection B. Okay. Next one. So B intersection D, take it as homework. So ನೋಡಿ B ಮತ್ತೆ D ಅಲ್ಲಿ common elements ಏನಿದೆ? Is there any common elements between B intersection D? Okay, ನೋಡಿ solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. So fourth one, B intersection D. So B value 3, 4, 5, 6 intersection D value 7, 8, 9, 10. Is there any common element between these two sets? Observe here. Common elements ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ B intersection D ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Which is equal to what? Null set. ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Null set ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Next one, C minus D, take it as homework. Okay. So these are some problems related on union, intersection and difference between two sets. So next class I will discuss some problems related on complement of a set. Okay. Thank you.